This video tutorial I will cover how to inject set collection using Spring Dependency Injection by Constructor. Here I have defined a class fruit shop. It has two properties, shop name and set of available fruits. It has fruit shop constructor which accept shop name and set of available fruits. And it has display fruit shop info method. This is a Spring configuration file. Here we have mentioned fruit shop name should be set as fruit mart and set of available fruit should be set as apple, pineapple and orange by Spring container using constructor dependency injection. Constructor argument which invokes the constructor and type attributes specify string and set. So this constructor which accept string and set. So this constructor will be called and shop name will be set as fruit mart and set of available fruits will be set as apple, pineapple and orange. This set element is used to define the set. What object to instantiate, what object to configure and how to configure. These information will be there in Spring configuration file. In this example we have mentioned shop name should be set as fruit mart and set of available fruit should be set as apple, pineapple and orange by Spring container using constructor dependency injection. Spring container read this Spring configuration file and it creates a fruit shop object, configure the fruit shop object and manage the complete lifecycle of fruit shop object. Here I have defined a class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting the fruit shop object from Spring container and displaying the fruit shop information. Here you can see the output. This constructor has been called by Spring container and shop name is set as fruit mart and set of available fruits is set as apple, pineapple and orange.